The single gas is a check engine light. It functions as the dashboard light in your car. If that light goes on, you know something's wrong. Something isn't right, and you have to go take it in for more analysis. You take it to the garage, they plug it in the computer, and they can look at it, hear it, feel it, touch it, listen to how it's running, and tell you exactly what's wrong with your car. So the G1 functions as that check engine light. It tells you the hydrogen level, which will give you an idea if there's a high energy discharge event going on inside the transformer.
With the hydrogen, I'm just knowing that there's some kind of incipient fault starting to be created on the inside, that it's going to take an extra effort of oil testing to really identify those. Where with a 5-gas or a 9-gas, I'm actually getting that on that instant information and gives them an idea of what it possibly could be that it's faulting.
Camlin offers the 5-gas and the 9-gas monitors, and they're well established. Their monitors track really well with what we would expect. So they offer that added data that you can't get from a single gas. Mm-hmm. And then couple that with the data being sent to transformer dashboard, you get a full picture. I'd say our difference is having individuals look at the data. There's other companies out there that offer data packages where they're looked at more by algorithms, but here we have a little bit of a personal touch.